Are there complications from untreated synovitis? Imagine a joint that keeps swelling and hurting without relief. That's what happens when synovitis is left untreated. Synovitis is inflammation of the synovial membrane, the lining inside your joints that produces lubricating fluid. If this inflammation isn't managed, it can cause more serious problems over time. When the synovial membrane stays inflamed, it releases substances that can eat away at the cartilage covering the ends of bones. This cartilage is what helps joints move smoothly. When it gets damaged, the joint surface becomes uneven, leading to more pain and stiffness. As the cartilage wears down, bones can start to rub against each other, which can cause further damage and make movement difficult. Persistent inflammation can also lead to erosion of the surrounding bone, especially in joints like the hips or ankles. This bone damage can cause deformities, making the joint look misshapen or crooked. If the inflammation continues unchecked, it can weaken the tissues around the joint, including ligaments and tendons, increasing the risk of joint instability. For people with arthritis, untreated synovitis can speed up the disease's progression. For example, in rheumatoid arthritis, the immune system attacks the joint lining, and if this is not controlled, it can lead to widespread joint damage and even systemic symptoms like fatigue and fever. The longer synovitis remains untreated, the more likely it is that surgery will be needed later on. This might include procedures like joint replacement, where damaged parts are replaced with artificial components. The good news is that early treatment can prevent many of these complications. Doctors often recommend anti-inflammatory medications, physical therapy, and lifestyle changes to keep the inflammation under control. Addressing synovitis early helps protect the joint, reduce pain, and keep your mobility. So, if you notice persistent joint swelling or pain, it's important to see a healthcare provider promptly. Managing synovitis early can make a big difference in avoiding long-term joint problems and maintaining your quality of life.